Hello, welcome to our Gather space. It's good to see you here. I'll quickly show you around. Please type in your real full name to begin with, otherwise we will remove you from our Gather town, and then you're ready to join the gathering. You normally end up somewhere here, and you can use the arrow bars to navigate, or you could use the keys WASD. And we've also put up some signs, so you should be able to navigate and not get lost in this map. If that's the case, you can always open the mini map here and see where you are on the map. And I can see I'm here in the upper third of the map. We have our publishers down here in this area. We've got the poster sessions up here. The time and date is also indicated. And here, very importantly, is our help desk. And once you enter a private room, it will indicate that in this area here. So now I have entered a private space. This means that everybody else who's in the same room is able to see me and talk to me. Normally that's not the case. Normally I have to get close to another avatar to be able to talk to them. You can also interact with objects, which is also indicated here. Press X to interact. It's always the key X. Now press X and I can see our email address here, which you're welcome to contact if you have any problems. I could now click on that and email us or close the window and I'm back in Gather. An important thing to know is that you can't walk through another avatar. But you can switch to the ghost mode by pressing the key G and walking somewhere. And we can see that now I am invisible and I can literally walk through everything. Another important option we have is that here we can see that I'm currently the only person in the room, but normally if there are other people, I can search for someone and then I can chat with them here, or I can also locate them on the map, find them, follow them, or send them a private message. Thank you very much and have fun.